buddy. Hello. Make noise and smile for me. Look at your elephant. You love that elephant. Say, I want to shove it in my mouth. Look. Look. Yes. You like your elephant? Oh. What you doing, buddy? Okay. Oh, you talking? Whoa. Hi, buddy. That's right. Eat your elephant. I know you love it. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. I know. Good boy. What you got to say? Will you talk to me? Will you talk to me? Talk to Daddy. Oh, do you like your elephant? Do you like that elephant? Why do you eat your elephant? Yes. Does it taste good? Oh, what you doing? What you doing? Oh, big monster, it's okay? What? No fuss. Oh, here. Here. There you go. Here. You want the elephant's trunk, right? Oh, yes. It's so good. Okay. Okay. Talk it up, boy. Boop, bloop. Come on. Yes. Yes. Oh, I protest. Oh. Oh, baby protest. Yes. You love that elephant? I love it. But only when it shakes.